bacon, broccoli, hamburger, beefy onion, hamburger. We're gonna brown this ground round. Little onion. I'm gonna soften the broccoli in there. Salt and pepper. Beefy onion soup mix. It's gonna be great. What do you know? Didn't lose not one. Done no broccoli, you think that? Pocket, hot pocket, if you will, of bacon. Bacon hot pocket. Folks, you can eat this thing forever. A couple of more. Hole there, hole here, hole there. All in the bottom of the pan. I'm gonna add a little cheese to the bottom first before I put my meat mixture. This is some quesadilla. Little Mexican blended. And a little cheddar jack. A little bit more. I'm gonna eat this later, so this regular hamburger meat and broccoli. While this is cooking, my traeger is preheated right now to 350 degrees. Super Bowl extravaganza. We're having broccoli, beef, some more cheese. Make sure it holds everything together. So the broccoli and hamburger meat and onions are pretty much done. So the only thing we're waiting for is, once we put it on the traeger, is the bacon to crisp up. The bacon in the bottom of the pan is going to crisp faster than the ones that's on top. But that's just the nature of the beast. It's going to be great and wonderful all together. And then you start the wrap. Stay inside? We shall see. I sure hope so, because it's gonna be wonderful. If it don't all stay inside, I got a skillet to hold it in there, and it's gonna taste real nice. As you're wrapping the bacon, please do not let the baking at the top overlap. And the way you stop that from happening is you must fill the skillet to the top of the pan, whether it's potatoes, broccoli, meat, whatever you're putting inside the bacon bowl. You need to fill it to the top. That way the bacon will not overlap. Because if it overlaps, then it won't stay cooked all the way. So you need to pack all the ingredients on the inside to the top of the skillet. That way when you put the bacon on the top, it lines up in the middle just like it did on the bottom, instead of it overlapping each other. watching. See. All right, folks, just remind you when I told you that it's going to be good. It's not healthy. We are removing the excess grease from the bacon, cheese, and anything else that has some in there, and then we're going to put it in the oven on broil to finish crisping this bacon. Look at all that oil coming out of there. Not the healthiest, but tastes the best.